Ring around the rosy.
You.
You guys wearing him out?
Want me to tie them up?
Yeah. It's gonna get you, Lucy. It's gonna get you. Thanks you so fast. Run, Lucy, run. Get him, Tony. Get that crazy little girl. Lucy,
She
Lulu.
looks like a girl. Look at that face.
Lucy.
She looks like a girl.
Hi, Dozer. Are you gonna play, Dozer? Go play.
That is too funny.
Ring around the post. Whoa, hiya.
What do you guys think I'm doing up here that's so interesting?
I think you're doing something with food for sure.
If it's that difficult, it must be edible.
Get that birdie. Get that birdie. Go get him, Tony. Is Lucy all wore out from chasing the birdie? Huh? Are you tired of chasing the birdie?
Hey, they don't come in this fucking fix it for nothing.
That was on here.
That's on there? Oh.
Thank you, Monica. Thank you very
Don't
much.
tell me I had to put this on first.
That was so sweet of you.
Oh, you're so welcome. Don't tell me we needed to put this on first. I'm pissed.
Get the birdie, Lucy. Get that birdie. Arr, 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 arr. Go tell him. Get him, Toonie. Go, Toonie, go.
Hey, Mo.